On a clear afternoon, a young chef prepared to cook a special meal in her cozy kitchen. The room was warm from the heat of the stove and filled with the delicious smell of herbs and spices. The light from the screen of her laptop guided her as she followed the recipe. She started by taking out a melon, a carrot, and some garlic with a peeler in hand. She carefully peeled the carrot and garlic. The garlic was sliced into thin pieces, and the carrot was cut into small sticks, ready to be added to the pan. Next, she grabbed a whisk and began to whisk some eggs in a bowl. The sound of the eggs being mixed was rhythmic and satisfying. She also decided to grill some lamb with herbs and a pinch of pepper. The lamb sizzled on the grill, filling the kitchen with a mouth-watering aroma. The chef then moved on to prepare a side dish. She boiled some corn and decided to bake a pie with pear slices and a hint of honey. The pie would be the perfect dessert to end the meal. While the pie was in the oven, she fried some fries in a pan to add a crunchy side. As she worked, she kept an eye on the time, not wanting to be late with her dinner preparations. She placed the melon slices, sausage, and ham on a plate, garnishing them with fresh cloves and a zest of lemon for extra flavor. Finally, she poured some tea from the teapot into a mug and set the table with chopsticks and a can of jam. The table was now full of delicious food, from the roast lamb to the sweet pear pie. After everything was ready, she felt thrilled with her work. She took a bite of the pie and smiled, knowing the hard work had paid off. As she cleaned up, putting away the whisk and the bowl, she couldn't help but feel a sense of accomplishment. The kitchen was now quiet, with only the sound of the rain outside. The chef felt lucky and comfortable, ready to enjoy the fruits of her labor. She sat down to eat, feeling satisfied and happy with the meal she had created.